Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel Learning. This is your digital learning platform, and today we are going to discuss the answer of active to passive of future perfect tense. I have already uploaded the explanation video of this particular topic. If you have not watched that video, then please I request you to watch that particular video at first, then come back to this one. And besides this one, we have already uploaded present and past simple indefinite tense, present and past continuous tense, present and past perfect tense, okay, and future tense also. And all the links have been given in the description box. Please go and watch those videos at first. And one more thing is that object, which is very important in case of active to passive. A detailed video on object has also been uploaded in this particular channel, so please watch that particular video also. Now without wasting any more time, let's discuss the answer. Okay, he will have shut the door. This is subject, this is main verb, this is object. So according to the rule, the door पहले आ जाएगा, the door will have been हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, have been main verb यहाँ पे जो है वही हो जाएगा shut by him. Okay, he will have shut the door will have been shut by him. Next, she will have taken the test. Subject, main verb, object. The test will have been main verb जो है वही हो जाएगा taken by her. Clear? Number 3, the peon will not have rung the bell as yet. Subject, main verb, object. तो पहले object आ जाएगा the bell will have not been. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है, तो have और been के बीच में एक not आएगा. ओके, the bell will have not been, मेन वर्ब है रंग, यही हो जाएगा रंग, by the peon, सॉरी यहाँ पे फुल स्टॉप नहीं होगा, by the peon as yet. Okay, the peon will not have rung the bell as yet. The bell will have not been rung by the peon as yet. Number 4, the farmer will not have watered the fields. Subject, main verb, object. The fields will have not been watered by the farmer. Okay, now question number 5, I shall not have written a letter by evening. Subject, main verb, object. A letter will have not been written, यही हो जाएगा written by me by evening. Okay, now question number 6, the milkmaid will have milked the cow before morning. So this is subject, this is main verb, this is object. So the cow will have been, देखो एक एक पॉइंट मैं बस यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ. The cow will have been milked by the milkmaid before morning. Clear? Okay, now question number 7, he will have killed a tiger by evening. Subject, main verb, object. So a tiger will have been किल्ड, जो मेन वर्ब है वही हो जाएगा किल्ड बाय हिम बाय इवनिंग। ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, आई शैल हैव क्लोज्ड द डोर बिफोर यू कम, सब्जेक्ट मेन वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट, सो द डोर will have been, आप लोग shall भी लिख सकते हो, ठीक है। the door will have been closed by me before you come. Okay, now question number 9, they will not have spoken the truth. So in this particular sentence, this is subject, this is main verb, the truth object. So the truth पहले आ जाएगा, the truth will have not been spoken, जो है वही हो जाएगा spoken by them. Last one, our teacher will have taught this chapter by tomorrow. So this is subject, this is main verb, this is object. This chapter will have been taught by our teacher by tomorrow. Clear? So all these questions are done. I hope आंसर जो है आप लोगों का ठीक है। प्लीज़ कमेंट करके आप लोग ज़रूर बताओ कि कितना आंसर आउट ऑफ 10 क्वेश्चंस, कितना आंसर आप लोगों का ठीक हुआ है। तो आज बस इतना था, कि मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में और एक नया टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए कीप लर्निंग and keep supporting us. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss a single update. And please like the video and share with your friends. Tata, bye bye, see you and Jai Hind.